Hi readers, my name is Connecticat. I'm a Readimal, and my job is to help readers make connections that help stories make sense. When readers connect what they read to their own lives, reading becomes more meaningful and easier to understand. Read a story, do you ever feel like it reminds you of something that's happened in your own life? Maybe a character feels excited, nervous, or proud, and suddenly you think, hey, I've felt that way before. That moment is powerful, and today we're going to learn why. A strategy that strong readers use every time they read. It's called a text-to-self connection. This strategy helps readers understand characters, events, and feelings more clearly as they move through a story. Good readers don't just read the words on the page. They stop, think, and ask questions while they read. They connect what's happening in the story to what they already know, and that helps them make sense of the text. Text-to-self connection happens when something in a story reminds you of your own life. It could remind you of something you've done, something you've felt, or something you've experienced. These connections help your brain understand the story better. To make text-to-self connections, stories don't feel confusing. They feel clearer, easier to follow, and easier to remember. This strategy helps readers grow stronger every time they read. Sometimes readers think they're making a connection, but it doesn't really help. For example, a reader might say, I like pizza too. That connection is fun, but it doesn't help us understand the story or the character. A strong text-to-self connection explains why something in the story makes sense. It helps us understand a character's actions or feelings. Good connections always link back to what's happening in the text. Let's look at a strong example together. Imagine a story where a character feels nervous about trying something new. That's a feeling many readers recognize and can connect to. This reminds me of a time when I had to try something new, like joining a new activity or learning a new skill. I felt nervous because I wasn't sure what would happen or if I would do a good job. That connection helps me understand how the character is feeling. Because I felt nervous when trying something new, I understand why the character might act a certain way. Ask yourself helpful questions. Ask, has something like this ever happened to me? Then ask, how did I feel when it happened? Anything in the story you've read recently? Did a character feel excited, scared, proud, or disappointed? Pause the video and think about when you felt that same way in your own life. Let's review what we learned today. A text-to-self connection is when something in a story reminds you of your own life. Strong connections help you understand characters, feelings, and events. Remember, good connections always help the story make more sense. Text-to-self connections help readers understand characters, events, and even the theme of a story. They help readers explain their thinking using evidence from the text and their own experiences. There are other kinds of connections too, like text-to-text and text-to-world connections, and we'll explore those in future Readimals adventures. Remember, reading isn't just about words, it's about the connections you make. I'll see you next time.